Diabetes and insulin resistance aren't just about genetics or luck. They're about how your body responds to the environment you create every day. The good news? You can reverse insulin resistance naturally and restore metabolic health through simple, consistent habits. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven science-backed strategies to reverse diabetes and insulin resistance naturally. No gimmicks, no crash diets, just real physiology and sustainable change. Understanding insulin resistance. Insulin is your body's key to energy. It helps move glucose from your blood into your cells. But when your cells stop responding, a condition called insulin resistance, glucose builds up in your bloodstream, forcing your pancreas to pump out more insulin. Over time, this leads to high blood sugar, high insulin levels, and metabolic dysfunction, the foundation of type 2 diabetes. But here's the empowering truth. Insulin resistance is largely driven by lifestyle, and that means it can be reversed. Strategy 1. Eat to stabilize blood sugar. Food is your most powerful medicine. The goal is to keep blood sugar stable and reduce the burden on your pancreas. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and low glycemic fruits. Quality carbs, quinoa, lentils, and sweet potatoes instead of refined grains. Protein with every meal. It slows digestion and prevents glucose spikes. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish improve insulin sensitivity. Avoid refined sugars, white flour, and processed snacks. Every meal is a message to your metabolism. Choose foods that tell your body to heal, not store fat. Strategy 2. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting gives your body time to lower insulin levels and burn stored fat for energy. Example: finish dinner by 7 p.m. and eat breakfast between 9 and 11 a.m. That's a 14 to 16 hour fasting window. During fasting, your body shifts from sugar burning to fat burning mode, improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. You're not starving your body, you're teaching it to use energy efficiently again. Strategy 3. Move every day. Exercise is one of the fastest ways to reverse insulin resistance. When you move, your muscles use glucose for fuel, lowering blood sugar naturally. Best forms of movement. Resistance training builds muscle, which acts like a glucose sponge. Aerobic exercise, walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing for 30 minutes daily. Post-meal walks. Even 10 minutes after eating can reduce glucose spikes. Movement isn't punishment. It's permission for your body to heal. Strategy 4. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is your body's nightly reset. Poor sleep raises cortisol and disrupts insulin function. Sleep tips. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Keep a consistent bedtime. Avoid screens and caffeine before bed. Create a cool, dark, quiet environment. When you sleep well, your hormones rebalance, and your metabolism follows. Strategy 5. Manage stress and cortisol. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which increases blood sugar and insulin resistance. Natural stress reducers. Meditation or deep breathing for 10 minutes daily. Spending time outdoors. Journaling or gratitude practice. Connecting with supportive people. Stress management isn't just emotional, it's biochemical. Calm mind, calm metabolism. Strategy 6. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush excess glucose and toxins from your body. Dehydration thickens blood and makes insulin less effective. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily, adjusting for activity and climate. Hydration keeps your blood flowing smoothly and your metabolism balanced. Strategy 7. Support gut health. Your gut microbiome influences everything, including insulin sensitivity. Gut-friendly habits. Eat fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. Include prebiotic fibers from garlic, onions, and asparagus. Limit artificial sweeteners. They disrupt gut bacteria. A healthy gut equals a healthy metabolism. Strategy 8. Consider natural supplements. Certain nutrients can support insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Top options: consult your doctor first. Magnesium helps insulin transport glucose into cells. Berberine shown to lower blood sugar similarly to metformin. Alpha-lipoic acid reduces oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids lower inflammation and triglycerides. Supplements are helpers, not replacements. They enhance what your lifestyle builds. Strategy 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess body fat increases insulin resistance. Losing even 5 to 10% of body weight can dramatically improve blood sugar control. Tips: focus on nutrient-dense meals. Avoid crash diets. Aim for gradual progress. Combine movement, hydration, and sleep for lasting results. Weight loss isn't about appearance. It's about metabolic freedom. Strategy 10. Track and celebrate progress. Reversing insulin resistance is a journey. Track your fasting glucose, A1C, and waist circumference. Celebrate small wins: better energy, clearer thinking, improved digestion. They're all signs your metabolism is healing. My final thought: reversing diabetes and insulin resistance naturally isn't about restriction. It's about restoration. By eating real food, moving daily, sleeping deeply, managing stress, and supporting your body's natural rhythms, you can rebuild metabolic health from the inside out. Start today. Every meal, every walk, every breath teaches your body how to heal. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my award-winning book, Stronger by the Day: Master the Habits of Health, Fitness, and Vitality, along with Slimmer and Stronger by the Day, the Habit Blueprint for Lasting Weight Loss, Living Longer and Stronger by the Day, the Everyday Habits for Lifelong Health and Vitality, and Mentally and Emotionally Stronger by the Day, Mental Habits for Focus, Confidence, Resilience, and Emotional Intelligence, all available on Amazon and my website. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.